This is car battery charger from CTEC. It helps charge your car battery if you have left your car very long time not start. It's easy to use, just plug and play, connect to your battery and then leave it to charge. It has many stages, then you can refer to the manual book for the good and health of your car battery. It also have a standalone terminal. Just use it when you need it. Any question can WhatsApp us in the number given.